couple of new things on the bike. For one is the Mike's brand new purple Panda off Amazon, like 30 bucks. The others are these Rizoma mirrors on the left and the right side. We'll see how those kind of work out. Got them adjusted in the garage. They seem to be working okay so far. I didn't actually use the mounting, or the mounts that came with it. Threw a piece of plastic and some double-sided tape on it, just around the factory bar ends, because nothing else would really work. And if I used the little expander that came with it, it would have kind of stretched out and permanently bent, kind of messed up some of those threads. I didn't really want to do that exactly. Just permanently mess up those threads just in case. So I didn't. Dude just walking in the road. What is he doing? Walking in the road. Come on, man. There's a sidewalk right next to you. Use the sidewalk, brother. Come on now. Come on. Smells like fried food. Yeah, there it is. That Mexican food there. Always go for some good Mexican food. We don't have a ton of good Mexican food up here. Obviously, we're like, like as far away from the border as you can get, except for like New York, I guess. But we are pretty far away, man. Pretty far away. It's so funny, dude. These guys, they spend like so much money on like all kinds of shit, and then I hop on this like $5,000 MT07 just to fucking smoke them for nothing, dude. Oh man, so funny, dude. Love that shit. Let's see what's going on down 3rd Street here, shall we? I don't know what's going on. The city spent so much money, I guess. Yeah, city's. Oh, there's Tap House right here. Look at that. All kinds of good stuff. Mezzanine, John Crusoe's. What is that? General Merchandise. Dude looked like Vitality. This is a pretty popular spot down here for not the drinking crowd, just I don't know, younger cats. Younger cats out here drinking. There's a lot of young cats these days. Excuse me. Look at this guy up here. He ain't on 2 wheels, he's on 4. Let's go. Yeah, what is the temperature out here, man? 48. 48 with my dudes are rolling. Now I want the This is the jump right here. Look at this. Didn't jump it. It's all right. No problemo. Gonna cruise over here. We'll actually go up. I gotta stop at the store for a certain item, so we'll do that momentarily. But this is not that. Don't hit me. Thank you. Thank you. Danke, danke.